All right, this is to help with number 6 from section 2.3. And we want to graph the following equation. So I think it's going to be easiest if we write it first in mx plus b form, because then we would know the slope and the y-intercept. So basically we want to get y alone. Another trick on this one is these all have fractions with a 3 in the denominator, meaning these are all divide by 3's. So a good trick, which will really help, is if you multiply both sides by 3, it'll cancel out all these divide 3's, right? So we'll be left with 2x, 1y, and -1. All right, and then from here, you take away 2x on both sides, and now y is alone, so you have -1 minus 2x. Graphically then, I'll try and draw this, but sorry, I can't draw a great graph, but now that we have it in this form, we can just plot the y-intercept, which is -1, and then plot the slope, which is down to right 1. All right, and then keep going, whatever, and then connect the dots, and we'll have a graph of our line. Sorry, I kind of missed the points there. Connect the dots, and then we've got our graph. All right, so kind of tricky, but make sure you convert forms first, then it's easier to graph. Thanks for watching.